Change the pressure to change the future. By optimizing the supply pressure, you can save energy and reduce CO2 at your factory by best practice and efficiently to realize next-generation air design. This concept is achieved by 4-bar factory. 4-bar factory consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Air visualization. First, we visualize the pressure and flow rates of existing equipment to identify areas that can be reviewed. Step 2. Line pressure optimization. We verify air pressure that can maintain production efficiency. In locations where the output must be maintained while the pressure is reduced, we can introduce an exhaust recovery booster regulator or replace parts with a high-power type cylinder. On the other hand, it improves the air blowing system by high peak pressure and instantaneous blowing in the flow rate. By introducing optimal products, we optimize the line pressure. This method is applied throughout the factory to optimize the pressure at each piece of equipment. Step 3. Air pressure optimization for the entire factory. Lastly, the air pressure for compressors supplying air to the factory is optimized. This saves energy and cuts CO2. Let us look at a specific introduction case study. With a machine tool, air-saving impact blow valve achieves high peak pressure and instantaneous blowing to reduce air consumption. With a screen printer, replacing existing parts with the compact cylinder, high-power type, maintains the same external dimensions and pressure, but increases output by up to 1.5 times. This also achieves the conventional output even when reducing pressure. With an assembly unit, an exhaust recovery booster regulator can be introduced to locally boost pressure to maintain output. Air management system not only visualizes pressure and flow rate, but also reduces air consumption by minimizing or shutting off pressure during equipment standby. Change the pressure to change the future.